Hey everyone, and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we will walk you through the Realvolve CRM, one of the most powerful tools designed specifically for real estate agents like you. Whether you're a beginner or just getting started, we will show you exactly how to set up, navigate, and maximize Realvolve to streamline your workflow and close more deals, especially if you're looking for a smarter way to manage your leads, transactions, and follow-ups. So let's begin. Now, the first thing that you need to do is to go to the official website, which is realvolve.com. And from here, you have two more options. You can simply click the schedule a demo. If you do that, you would be forwarded here, wherein you need to complete this contact form and of course select a day that fits your schedule. All right. And from here, all you have to do once you click that, you just have to provide all the information accordingly. And then if you go back to the home page, there is a free trial sign up button that would lead you to this section. Wherein, similarly to the contact form, all I have to do is provide all the information. But of course, it requires a credit card number, all right, to sign up for the free trial to ensure platform security and reduce spam or fraud. You don't have to worry because you won't be charged during the trial and you can cancel anytime. This gives you the leverage to utilize the platform without committing into something that you're not comfortable. All right. And then once you have provided all the credentials, you would notice you will be welcomed with a message that says your 14-day free trial has begun. All right. And then all you have to do is fill in more information along the way and follow the on-screen instructions. Or you can simply go to your account. Once you have successfully created your account, you will be forwarded to the Realvolve homepage, wherein if you want to link your Google account with Realvolve, all you have to do is click this button. But if you don't want yet, just click this button right here that says skip this step. Now, you will notice that you have four sections on the top corner. Your dashboard, where it gives you the information, preferences, and a lot more. The calendar right here, and the workflows. Now, the workflows gives you an option to automate repetitive tasks, ensuring consistency and efficiency in your processes. All right, you can start a workflow later, but for now, we're going to the fourth section, which is going to be the templates, which gives you the template editor builder. You can include the footer. You can put in the subject, for example, this, that. You can also put in your image if you want. You can customize all of these. All right, you are not limited with the creativity, although this is perfectly CRM for real estate professional that doesn't limit you to be creative. All right, so that your information stands out whenever you create cold email outreach for contacts. You can put in the title right here, use with your contact, your property, or transaction. You can also assign a new tag, which is we're going to be deal with that when the different video. And then is it going to be via email marketing, transactional, Facebook? So you have all of these options for you to choose from. Once you're happy with that, you might want to click on the preview button to make sure that you have put in all of the information correctly. If you don't, just click the save button for now. And then you can also click on this option right here that says track email response time for this template and click on save. Now, heading back again to the main dashboard, we're going to explore one of the features on the left side. Now, you see this is going to be your contact. If you don't have any contact yet, you might want to put in more options here. If you want, you can add new. On the home page right here, these are going to be some of your properties that has already been saved, if you have. Now, the dollar sign section right here refers to the... Now, the plus button here refers to adding either a contact, property, transaction document and activity. You can manually input new contacts or import existing ones from other platforms to centralize your client database. So if you click on the contact right here, add a new one, you can do that. You can, as you would notice, you can put in the information such as the home address, mobile number, fax, and a lot of all these options. You can classify them into a contact type. Is it going to be a client, an agent, farm, personal, vendor, hidden, and team member? You can also at this point change the stage from aware, know, like, or trust, so that you can create this as a prospect or a hot lead if you want it. Now for the contact status, you also have an option for these options right here. All right, client type is going to be a buyer, seller, seller and buyer, or rent. All right, and you also have an option for the lead details. You can customize all of these depending on your preferences, so that it's a lot easier to build a prospect lead or for data gathering or market research. That's for the contacts. Now if you click on the plus button again, you can add a new property. Now the loading times will give you an indicator at the bottom. Again, depending on your region, or if you need to use a VPN, you are welcome to do so to make sure that the loading times is quicker. And the property address, now the default is going to be from MLS. These are going to be the listing price, listed, and expiration date. You can drag and drop all information here. Now you can put in the all of the information such as the SQFT, acreage, bedrooms, full, bathrooms, partial, and a lot more. You can add data fields as much as you want. And then on the tab, these are going to be the people behind that. You can put in the seller 1, seller 2, seller agent, and seller preferred, referred by. Marketing in terms of the connection, these are going to be some of the social. All right, website URL, blog URL, YouTube, and a lot more. So these are going to be some of the tabs that you might want to make sure you familiarize yourself with in the long run, so it's a lot easier to get the hump of the learning curve. All right, again, if you click on the plus button right here, you can add another transaction. That means the dollar sign here, which is going to be one of the most important section, because you can input the property details, upload photos, and attach relevant documents, as you can see from here, to keep all the information in one place. You can track the progress, manage associated tasks, and monitor important dates to ensure smooth transaction. Now the last part is going to be the activity and the document, if you want to put in as much as information as you can. For example, if you're working with another agent in this platform, you might want to add a new note from this section so that they're going to be informed, especially if you're using the, you are collaborating with a other agent in this one account. You can assign a new tag if you want and just save it right here. Now you would notice that you have an option to download. All right, and you can also forward this, send email if you'd like to do so. But the most important thing to do right now is to tailor your workflow to fit your unique business needs, incorporating specific tasks and reminders if you go to the calendar and communications right here. Now, you can put in the account notifications or your notifications here. And as you can see right now, we don't have any activities for the selected filters. If I go again to the home page, there is like a globe kind of button here, which is going to be the drop down menu. Just click on it and you can simply search for anything, search by name, email, phone address, and by company. And by systematically exploring these features, you'll be fully equipped to leverage Realvolve CRM to its fullest potential, streamlining your real estate business operations. And that's it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you again in the next one.